What are the best recommendations you have in terms of how a lab could best maintain their nitrogen generation equipment?
The most important thing on nitrogen generator with PSA is to supply clean air. If customer supply, if the generator is without compressor, if customer supply clean air, nitrogen generator can go on working for 15, 20 years without problems. It's like a mule, is one product that is very easy, very long life, very reliable, and we have, just to give you an idea, we have a lot of experience on that. We supply also some gas companies, like Air Product, for example. They decided to buy from us the generators to supply nitrogen generators to their customers. In other words, it costs less to them buy a generator from us and install at their customer instead than to produce gas and bring this gas to their customer. This is only the economical point of view, but is giving you the idea. If it is more convenient economically, is also more convenient on managing the distribution chain. Means that other than convenient at the beginning is also more convenient in the years. We supply to them more than 3,000 generators for beer dispensing. In England, they are drinking a lot of beer. And in their pub, they install this small wall mounting nitrogen generator. For them, it's better to do this, supplying only CO2 time to time, maintain the generator time to time. They have one person and half, one person part time and one full time person taking care about the maintenance of about 3,000 generators. Their people are going to customers to bring CO2 cylinders. Sometimes they exchange the generator to bring at home for maintenance, but this is what they do. It is giving you the idea of the reliability of the system producing nitrogen. And when the system is well maintained, technology is giving the possibility to go on for a long time.
That's great. I appreciate the time today. Thanks so much.